The 70s brought beautiful neighborhoods surrounded by parks and nature. 4125 Taffey Crescent is no exception. It is stunning inside and out. Come on in, I'll show you around. Open concept and spacious living and dining room. Renovated and family-sized kitchen with shaker-style cabinets, granite counters, marble backsplash, breakfast bar, and stainless steel appliances. 3 well-sized bedrooms with walkout to an incredible and spacious backyard from the principal bedroom. A renovated main bathroom completes the main floor. Basement has a spacious kitchen, living and dining room area, a bedroom or office, full bathroom, laundry room, and a separate entrance completes the space. Check out this incredible backyard, and this home is located on the perfect spot on Taffey Crescent. Whatever you do, do not miss it.